Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Maths Made Easy with Terry in 10 minutes. Okay, so we're going to talk about the rules with multiplying or dividing positive and negative sign. This is very important because while solving mathematics, we're going to talk about several types of numbers, and most of them will either have a positive sign or a negative sign. So when you have a positive multiplying itself, what will the result be when you have a negative dividing themselves and the rest of it? So we're going to talk about that. And like I said, I'm just going to do a quick revision about that, and then we'll now move on from there. So the first one is when you have addition multiplying another plus sign. When plus multiplied by plus, it will give you plus, okay? Now, when the plus multiplied by minus, it's going to give you what? Minus. When the minus multiplied by plus, it will also be minus, okay? And also, when the minus multiply minus, it will give you what? Plus. So, what you can keep in your mind is when you have a negative with a positive, the negative is always stronger, all right? So that's how some students tend to keep it in their mind. So, but a plus multiplied by plus will be plus, and if it's the same, it's always positive. So if it's plus times plus, it's plus. If it's minus times minus, it's plus. Now, the same thing for when you divide. So when you have plus divided by plus, it's going to give you plus, okay? When you have plus divided by minus, it's going to give you, like I said, the negative is always stronger, minus, all right? And when you have minus divided by plus, all right, it's also going to be minus. And when you have minus divided by minus, it's going to give you what? Plus, all right? So I'm going to pick some examples now and see, let's play around with this, okay? The best way for you to get good with this, you need to practice a lot of questions or similar questions. And your calculator can do this, all right? Only when you input it correctly, all right? Your calculator can also do this. So let's say we have 3 times 3. So can you see this is plus 3 multiplied by plus 3, and that will give you plus 9, all right? Now, but when it's now 3 times minus 3, now this is plus 3 times minus 3, so it's a plus times minus, and that will give you minus 9. Is that okay? Now, if it's minus 3 times 4, so minus 3 times 4, so it's a minus times plus, and that will give you what? Minus 12. Is that all right? And when you have minus 3 times minus 4, and that will give you, see, minus 3 times minus 4, that's minus times minus, and that will give you plus, and that will give you 12 plus 12. Similarly, we can go for division. So if it's 3 divided by 3, it's plus 3 divided by plus 3, and that will give you 1. And if you have 3 divided by minus 3, so we have plus divided by minus, and that will give you negative what? 1. Now, the same thing as well, if we have minus 10 divided by 2, it's minus divided by positive, and that will give you minus 5. And when we have minus 10 divided by minus 2, minus divided by minus, okay? And that will give you plus, and that will be plus 5. All right? So this is a very short video. I've talked about each and every one of them. So we have plus times plus, will give you plus. So when you have the same sign, dividing or multiplying each other is always positive. So when you have the same sign, okay? All right? It's always what? Positive. So if it's plus times plus, it's plus. Minus times minus is plus. Minus divided by minus is always plus. But when the signs are different, okay? When the signs are different, it's always what? Negative. Is that all right? So when the signs are the same, all right, it's plus. When the signs are different, it's what? Negative. All right, thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, so that especially tap the notification bell, so when I have new videos, you'll be aware of it. Okay, see you soon.